Words that have same sound but different meanings are homophones. Like S-O-N sun, S-U-N sun. W-R-I-T-E right, R-I-G-H-T right. Few more homophones. Flower, flower. Week, week. Sail, sail. Wood, wood. Piece, piece. Whole, whole. Some, some. Spellings are different but sounds are same. Let's check out this one. He asked me to be a good girl. B-E-B. The honey bee is buzzing around my ears. B-double-E-B. I can see beautiful birds flying in the sky. The dolphins are dancing in the sea. We will meet tomorrow. I like to eat meat rather than vegetables. Let's do matching. Look at these words carefully and match with their homophones. I with the letter I. TWO2 with TOO2. REED read with READ read. YEAR year with EAR year. I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.